Say hi to them, brother. He say hi, guys. Good job. Guys, today we're gonna be reviewing this phone. This phone is one of the phones that has one of the best battery on the market. So we're talking about a 13,200 milliamp power battery, guys. Like I just said, one of the best battery. Let me just say this before I start showing you all the settings and all that. Guys, my personal opinion about this phone, honestly, is that, this phone is just amazing. It's just an amazing phone. Why? Because with this phone, since this phone has a reverse charging, I don't know if you know that. So every time my phone, my phone battery, my iPhone, I have an iPhone though, is dying. So I just charge my iPhone with that phone, guys. And like I just said, the phone has a really good battery. So that means it has enough power to charge my iPhone battery and just the phone stay fully charged, basically. You know what I mean? And overall, guys, I have kids. So my kids, they play with that phone. That's a rugged phone. They never gonna break the phone. I'm telling you, never. That phone, if you hold this phone with your hand, you're gonna feel like you have right here a tractor on your hand, guys. This phone is just amazing, I'm telling you. So the cameras, guys, the cameras are just amazing. In general, this is an amazing phone to play, to take pictures, to charge others' phone. Like I say, you can use it like a power bank. It's the same thing, basically. The signal, if this phone grab the signal really good, and you see the flash, the back. If you turn on this flash, guy, in the dark, basically, you're gonna see everything because that's a really powerful flash too. So I have no complaint about this phone, guys. This phone, honestly, it worked perfectly. You know what I mean? It worked really perfectly. So now let me show you all the cool settings because this phone has really nice features. New features, guys. The phone that cost over $800 has, you know what I mean? So let me just go over those settings so that way you can see what this phone can do. Let's go. First of all, let me show you one of the best settings on this phone. So for that, let's go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down. Let me go to intelligence assistant. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, guys, this is the best section on this phone. Let me show you why. Right here, you're gonna see all the new features that you can enjoy on this phone. Like for example, let me start with the first one, flip to silent. So if you turn on the setting and your phone is ringing, all you need to do is flip the phone. Just do that, boom, your phone will be in silent right away. So that's the first one. The second one is smart answer. So when you receive an incoming call or put your phone near your ear to answer automatically. Wow, this is so amazing. So basically, if you have an incoming call and you put this phone near your ear, automatically your phone thinks that you want to talk. So it's gonna answer the call. Oh, look, I didn't know that. That one's one of the best one in case you have like your hand wet, you know what I mean, or dirty, so you don't have to touch the screen. So turn it on. The third setting is gonna be this one, anti-fake touch mode. Yeah, I love that one. Turn it on because if you put your phone in your pocket and by mistake you put your hand in your pocket at the same time and you touch anything on your phone not gonna react to that. Let's go with the next one, guys. 3-finger screenshot. So that one is for you to take a screenshot with the 3 fingers. So all you need to do is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So basically you use 3 fingers and you just swipe it down and boom, you will have a screenshot. So amazing. The next one, 3 fingers, skid start split screen. So yeah, that's a good one too. Sensor calibration, I love that setting. Quickly open camera. So when the screen is off, double click the down button of volume to quickly open the camera. So basically, if you turn on the setting, the screen can be off, your phone can be locked, and if you press double time volume down on this side, automatically they're gonna open the camera. Okay, the next one, wireless reverse charging. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. If you turn on the setting, okay, let me use my iPhone to make an example. And now let me just put my phone on top of that one. And look at that, guys. It's charging, you see? Let me do that again. Let me just put it on the back and boom, it's charging. So with this phone, guys, if this phone is fully charged, basically you can charge how many iPhones? Like 5 iPhones from 0 to 100, because this phone has like a 8 iPhone battery, like 8. iPhone battery is just like 3,000 and something. It's not really too strong. This one is 13,200 milliamp hour battery. So let's go. The next setting is gonna be flip to wake. Okay, I don't like that one, because if that setting is on, if your phone, basically you wanna put your phone on your pocket or your phone is on the table, as soon as you grab your phone and just flip it up, the screen is gonna turn on, and that uses a lot of battery. So I don't like that setting too much, but if you need it, just turn it on. Single hand mode, yeah, that one is good, because this phone is too big. Basically you can operate this phone with one hand, okay? So that one is really good. So the next one is gonna be this one, new message bright screen. Yeah, that one is good too. And this one, accessibility. No, we don't have to go through those settings, because all Android phones have those settings. Later I will make another video, guys. If you want me to make another video, like soon as possible, about those settings, just let me know in the comment. Even though this phone have a really powerful battery, guys, you also have some setting right here that you can turn on and save battery. You know what that means? So that means if the battery on this phone lasts 5 days, let me just make an example, and you basically turn on those settings, it's gonna last 6 days. Let me show you where you can find it. Let's go ahead and click on settings, then scroll down, let's go ahead and click on battery. Okay, this is the setting, battery saver. Just turn it on right here, and boom, your phone automatically will save battery. Now guys, let me say something that I haven't said yet about this phone. This phone has a setting that basically will double speed the performance. So let me show you. If you go to setting, scroll the way down, you will see setting right here. Let me show you right now. Dual speed, this one, the last setting on this phone. Just click on that, and right here, guys, it's off by default, so you have to turn it on manually to basically speed up this phone. Just turn it on. What this setting gonna does, if you read right here, it just basically say that this setting gonna stop different activity in the background to use all the capacity for your games. Anything you want to do on your phone's gonna be a lot faster if you turn on that setting. So that's the secret, guys, about this phone. And that's how it looks. It looks like other phone, but this one has, you know, special stuff that other phone doesn't have, like the battery, cameras. The cameras, guys, in the phone, let me show you. Look at this. Look at this camera. Oh my goodness. Look at that, yo. This phone is just crazy. Let me see. I got the iPhone 13 on my hand right now. Let's see something. Yo, look at that. That's crazy. No. So I just want to say that this phone has a better camera than the iPhone 13. I'm not saying that because I know a lot of people you're gonna get offended by that, but honestly, look at this, guys. This camera are just amazing, including the selfie camera. It's just another level, yo. I really love this phone, honestly. If I put these two phones side by side, as you can see, this one has like 4 iPhone 13 Pro Max. You see? Look at that. But this phone, I'm gonna keep this phone forever. And that's it for today, guys. If you got any question about this phone, please let me know. And if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in my next video.